York, and welcome to Ford. My name is Gary, and I'm here with the Built Ford Tough Ford F-150, America's #1 best-selling pickup truck, now for 40 straight years. And F-150 for 2018 is now even tougher, even smarter, and even more capable than ever before. What do you say we take a look at the Built Ford Tough bold styling up front here on the new F-150? A new front end, a new rear. We have for you new interior, 6 new wheels, new exterior colors. This Built Ford Tough Ford F-150 is the toughest we've ever built. Let's talk about some smart features for F-150, making it smarter than ever with the new 3 collision assist with pedestrian detection. And the new adaptive cruise control with stop and go. These new features will make you safer and easier than ever to be behind the wheel of America's #1 best-selling pickup truck. Now let's talk capability. F-150's new capability goes beyond anything you've ever imagined with a new 10-speed automatic transmission with with a wide ratio span and 3 overdrive gears that are going to give you improved fuel efficiency at the highway and maintain that best-in-class towing capability you expect from F-150. Now folks, I got some big news coming to you for the F-150. For the very first time ever, a Power Stroke turbo diesel engine will be available coming in the spring of 2018. All right, folks, now we're going to tell you about some other amazing features that we have for F-150, and you'll find it on the interior. New interiors for the fancy trucks, and you can find even more than ever before for wheel choices.